How to fix Google Nest Mini Hub second won't connect to Wi-Fi. To fix the Google Nest Hub second won't connect to Wi-Fi issue, you need to follow the steps. Now, first thing, you actually want to download Home for Google Home for Android or get it onto your iOS as well. And if the Google Home used to connect Wi-Fi, just fine, but recently changes to Wi-Fi settings or password. So from the home page, you want to go to the Devices tab in the Google Home app and tap on device that you want to reconfigure. As you do it, so what next you want to do is click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. You will actually want to go and manually enter in the password update and choose device information and go to Wi-Fi and select forgot network, after which you simply want to tap from the main screen of the device and choose new device. Pick the home to add Google from Google Home to followed by the next, and continue with the on-screen instructions or follow the setup direction link above for the help, and that should be able to help you out. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you simply want to shut off the other network devices, or you also want to make sure to restart your router as well as your Nest Mini Hub at the same time. That would be able to help you out. If not, what else you could also do is you could also check for any of these glitches or maybe connections loose and all that. That should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix Google Nest Hub second won't connect to Wi-Fi. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.